Hi, Siva here, founder of Lyzr. So in this demo, we're going to see how a pitch deck analysis agent actually works. It is built on Lyzr Agent Studio, a multi-agent builder platform for you to automate not only your workflows, but also to build your future digital workforce. Now, in this use case, which came in from one of the leading investor, a global investor, they wanted to build a pitch deck evaluator to open it up to their founders so that their founders could use the free service and try and improve their pitch deck. So all you have to do is click on upload and browse and select the deck that you want to provide, and the agent now gets to work. I just did that, so you see the agent analyzing the pitch across various parameters like storyline, market opportunity, and it also gives a strength, right? Like, sorry, the score, and also gives feedback on where the pitch deck could be improved. The storyline, market opportunity, traction, product solutions fit, defensibility modes, land expand strategy, and so on, and eventually GTM strategy as well. So you can see all across various parameters of the founders can get instant help. In this scenario, the guidelines came in from the venture capital firm. So these are their guidelines based on which the agent was built. And also we leveraged some of the, I would say, internet knowledge as well in order to add more color and criteria. And obviously you can export and share it with anyone within your founding team so that they could improve the pitch over a period of time. So a very simple but very powerful use case, and venture capital firms could use it as a self-serve agent that they could open up for all the startup founders who are pitching or who are planning to pitch uh, to get included in their either portfolio or raise funding. So this is built on Lyzr Agent Studio. Visit studio.lyzr.ai. You can build these pitch deck agents or a multi-agent. Building is very simple. Build an agent, give the instructions, and access an API endpoint, and take the endpoint to your UI. That's it. Uh, what you see here was built in less than 24 hours. You have Cursor, fantastic. So take the agent API, take it to Cursor, and ask it to build a UI for you or use Lovable, whichever platform that works for you. So if this interests or something similar to this, and if you want to build something, just let us know. We'll be happy to help or assist you or even co-build with you. Thank you.